Guys, we're gonna do a little smoked cream cheese in the Woodfire Grill. Y'all wanna stick around for this one? What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So glad you're here. Guys, we got a nice, easy one for you today. This is gonna be a quick video, especially since I forgot to hit record the first time I ran through this. So about half the video didn't have sound. All right, so that's all right. We're gonna walk our way through it. We'll be fine. All right. I'm sure you've seen it all over social media, but the smoked cream cheese thing's been going around for a long time. I've seen it a couple times in my group too. We decided to throw it in the Woodfire Grill and do our little take on it. Guys, we're gonna use the cold smoke feature. So we're gonna dip that temp all the way down to where it says CLD on the smoker setting. You turn the smoker dial, get it to CLD, and we're gonna do it for 1 hour. So we're gonna give it a cold smoke for an hour. Now this cream cheese, we're not cooking it, so you don't need a high temp. I've seen people do it at 200, 250, whatever. You don't need it at that. I think the cold smoke takes it to about 140. You don't need to do high temp on it because you're not really cooking it, you're just imparting smoke flavor to it, right? What we've done already on this to get it going is we got our cream cheese out onto a little piece of tin foil. Now this just makes it a little easier with cleanup and whatnot. We went ahead and sliced little diagonal crosshatch marks in each of them. This helps kind of open them up a little bit as they smoke a little bit. You know, adds a little extra surface area in there to add the flavoring, and it aesthetically looks nice when it's done, right? We're gonna do 2 different flavor profiles on the cream cheese, on the blocks of cream cheese. We're gonna use West Coast Shake, my actual seasoning, and I'll put a link down below for it on one of them, right? So you got, you know, all the flavors of the West. We got chili, cumin, heat, lime, good flavors, right? And then we're gonna do everything but the bagel on the other thing, everything but the bagel seasoning on the other thing, on the other block of cream cheese, right? So it's 2 very different flavor profiles, but that's all right. They're gonna be just as tasty. We got some chips, some corn chips for the West Coast Shake one. And we got some crackers that I found in the cupboard that Mrs. CJ bought. We'll use those for the everything but the bagel seasoned block of cream cheese, okay? So like I said, we're gonna get this set up on the smoker setting to cold smoke. I'm gonna put some blend pellets in there. It's Jack's by Dallas Devil, if you wanna know. But any kind of blend pellets will be just fine. Like I said, we're not trying to really overwhelm it with smoke. We're just trying to add a little bit of smoke flavor to it. We're gonna let it go through the ignition process, that burn off, right? Get all that hard white smoke out. And then when the countdown starts for the smoker setting, then we'll add our cheese on there, okay? Our cream cheese blocks, right? Trying to think what I said the first go around that didn't get caught on camera. Hey, you know, you got little things going on, you're moving and grooving. Sometimes you forget to turn on the microphone. That's okay, all right? Throw a thumbs up if you forget sometimes, all you people out there. So once it's gone through the ignition process and it's ready to go, we're gonna throw our cream cheese on there. We're gonna cold smoke it for an hour, shut that lid, and just let it go, okay? We'll check on it at the half-hour mark to see if there's any, you know, real big changes or anything like that. But for the most part, it's just a kind of set it and forget it type thing. I think I caught you up to speed to kind of where we're at right now, and obviously you'll see the overlay of what I've done as I'm talking about it. It's a little bit of a different video just because like I said, I forgot to hit record. When we come back, there is some voice recording. Finally remembered the microphone. Well, other than that, guys, stick around. Thanks for powering through this one. Cheers. All right, y'all, get a little bit longer than a half hour, but let's take a look. Oh, it's gorgeous. Good stuff, guys. See the little hash marks. Not so much on the everything bagel because there's so much stuff on there, but looking great. We're gonna let them finish up, and then we'll take them to the house, plate them up. We'll give them a try. Y'all, as you can see, we're done. All right, guys, looking good. Look at the color on that. I love that West Coast Shake. Everything but the bagel seasoning. Woo, looking too dang good. All right, let's get this plated up with some crackers, make it all pretty, and then we'll give it a try. All right, y'all, we're done. Went ahead and got a little of that hot sauce over the top. Got the tortilla chips, got the Sociables crackers. I found them in the cupboard. Good enough for me. All right, let's go ahead and give them a try. See what you think. All right, let's go. Let's start off with everything but the bagel. Okay, cheers. All right. I mean, it's good. It's smoked cream cheese. Obviously, having in that cold smoke, there is still a little heat, so the cream cheese does soften up with that. But get that kiss of smoke you want in there. Guys, I gotta tell you, I'm not a huge fan of cream cheese, but that is a good dish right there. Let me try the other one. Of course, I break the chip. All right. Got the tortilla chip with the hot sauce, the West Coast shake. Guys, oh, it's too good, but that heat, that'll get you back in the back right there. That hot sauce is Dark Side of the Grill hot sauce. I'll put a link down below. You've seen me use it on the channel before. It has a great flavor. It's not blow your socks off hot, but you know, you get that little that's some heat. That's some flavor right there, baby. Then of course my West Coast shake. Now, hey, I'm biased, but it tastes freaking amazing. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of cream cheese, but I can see the hype. I can see why people do this. The flavor is just next level. So I know people put little barbecue sauce on it or some hot honey, jam, preserves, whatever. Guys, make it your own. Listen, if you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Woodfire grills, there'll be a link down below. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything more to use, but it helps out my channel. All right, for the rubs, knives, cutting boards, anybody want a dog? Links are all down below. If you guys want to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that love to help out the channel, support your boy, probably don't mind a little smoked cream cheese with some crackers either, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.